Welcome back, gamblers, to the Texas Gambler channel. We are doing Houston Texans merchandise unboxing today. This is from the second chance drawing for last year, from last year. If you look at here on the end of the box, it says 2024 Texans Lottery Cooler Packs. It's just the box. They what they do is they get the cooler boxes in. They open the cooler box, cut the tape, and open it. Get everything out, unpackage it, and then they stuff the cooler with the rest of the prizes. So all you get, instead of getting like 6 or 8 small boxes, you just get one big box, which is the cooler. And all the cool stuff inside of it. So there we go. We have the Houston Texans cooler all packaged up. Nice and neat. There goes the big box. Wrapped up in plastic. Needs to look nice. And there you have it. Ta-da! Your Houston Texans cooler. And then inside an autographed football, and that is supposed to be John. Wait, forget his last name now. Anyways, got a signed football. That's kind of weird because the last football that I got. Anyways, let's go through it. All right, so we got a signed football from one of the wide receivers for the Houston Texans. I can't read his signature, and can't remember his name off the top of my head right now, so I have to look that up in a minute. Then we got a Houston Texans t-shirt. Which is very nice. I already got one of those. I hope it's a large, just like the last one was. They didn't send me something like a double X. They did send me an extra large. So I got an extra large, which is going to be a little bit too big for me, but no big deal. Then we got all the rest of the goodness. Another bottle opener, just like our other one. Then we got another hat. Yay, can always use another hat. And then the Houston Texans sign with the new logo, which is pretty cool because now I have the old sign and the new sign. Very cool. And hey, get down from there. Sorry, the cat and the dog decided they were going to come in and get in the way, but I read them all. So, get the plastic off of that. Really cool. Houston Texans sign. Get underneath. And then we got Houston Texans tumbler. Ooh, too high. Houston Texans tumbler. I hope I wasn't too high with the signs. Was I too high with the signs? Let's do that one more time. Houston Texans signs that we got. Just wanted to make sure you can see everything. And then that's it. Now, Metchie, that's who it was. Metchie was supposed to be the signature on this football. But I don't know if John Metchie could. Is that his signature? Doesn't look like a Metchie to me. Whose signature is that? Do y'all know? I don't know whose signature that is. There's a T in there. Well, that does. Oh, shit. Oh, J. Metchie? I guess so. John Metchie III. I guess that's how he's signing it. Oh well. But pretty cool. Got another football. So now I have two. I have Nico Collins signed football and John Metchie's football. So super excited about that. Anyhow, go Texans. Maybe next season will be their season. Sorry to see that the Bills lost to the Chiefs last night. That is a unfortunate situation because now the Chiefs and the referees are going to the Super Bowl. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing session. I appreciate you watching and your support of the channel. If you enjoyed this content, do me a favor, drop a like on the video. If you're new to the channel and you're just discovering me for the first time, check everything out and hit that subscribe button for future content. I try to post new content every day. And good luck to you guys on your entries in the second chance drawings. You too could win a Houston Texans merchandise pack if you buy the Houston Texans $5 scratch offs. Good luck everybody and peace out.